Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Find My Location not working on iPhone. All right, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on your profile name at the top of the screen. Then, scroll down and select Find My. Ensure that Find My iPhone is turned on, and also make sure Find My Network and Send Last Location are enabled. Next, go back to the previous window and confirm that Share My Location is turned on. Now, head to the main settings page and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services and make sure it's turned on. Also, enable location alerts. Scroll down to find the Find My app, tap on it, and ensure it's set to while using the app, and that precise location is switched on. Once you've completed these steps, check the Find My app to see if your location is updating. If it's still not working, tap Me in the bottom right and make sure Share My Location is on. If the issue persists, go to Settings, then General, and check VPN and Device Management to make sure you're not connected to a VPN. You can also try signing out of your Apple account and signing back in. So that's basically how you can fix Find My Location not working on iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.